Hello, welcome to LunaView. I'm John, and I have a little bit of a haul. I went to CAMS in Fredericton. It's a model show here in the Maritimes in Fredericton, New Brunswick, and it's the first time I went there, or actually to any model show in my life. And I encourage you all to do it because it opens your eyes a bit. And it's one thing to look at video and pictures of model kits, but when you see it up close, you really know where you stand and you can really appreciate the work that goes into what you're seeing there. So I'm going to leave links for CAMS down below so you can view pictures and so on. And also I'm going to leave the links for Andre's model shop because 2 weeks ago I went there and picked up some kits. He lives in Moncton, New Brunswick. So each place is about a couple hours away. So normally I go down to Moncton. So I got some more taping stuff down there. Great Hobbies was down there at CAMS. So clear orange, I didn't have that. Italian red. There we go. And nice little sanding sticks. I like that. So also I got decals because this 56 Ford, take a look at that. I painted it out there and the silver still come off, I think. But anyway, we went ahead and finally did it. It was after about 4.5 weeks. And so the blue is an acrylic lacquer, so that dried within seconds. So I put 5 coats of it on, and it was rough on the start of it, but she kind of leveled it out. She's a very nice paint. But it's the decals I want to put on for the stocks, and this is what I have laying around. It's from the old Mustang I had there, and that can go on the doors. Not bad, but I also picked this up here, and it may as well work too. I don't know. We'll see. I also picked up another set of decals for Ford back in the day. And in case I get Dale Jarrett's UPS and I need decals, I picked that. That was sitting around. In fact, they had 4 decal sets there. I took 3 of them. So there wasn't a lot to pick from. They had a few vendors there. This guy had this kit for 35 bucks Canadian. So it's about 20 some bucks American. And this kit came out in 2005. Photos by Doug White. We watch his YouTube channels. So yeah, this was a great kit. It's all here. Someone opened it up and had plans to do whatever. Decals are also in the boat and trailer section here. All right, let's take a look at that. Do it. There we go. All right, so what else we got? He also had printed sheets of what I believe he proposed to do with it. He had all these, I knocked that camera again. This is here the last video that I deleted that where I hit the camera over. Anyway, he had things of the boat he was going to do with it. All pictures of different cars. So he had a plan, a definite plan for this. So I'll look through it and see what his plan entails. The boat and everything, she's all here. Engine with the boat, engine with the car. He has also the trunk of the car mapped out to cut the whole thing out to make it like an El Camino. So he has both tubs here as well. And everything else you need to go with this kit is all here, including 6 tires. There's 2 tires with this guy too. So I'm very impressed for 35 bucks. I got that. No problem at all. I'm going, yeah, I like it. I'll take it. Thank you very much. I came very early and they were just setting up. He also had this guy here for $10. The chrome is stripped. Yes, they dunked it and took the chrome off, but that's not an issue, is it? I can paint that chrome right back again, but basically it's our Batman kit into a Futura. There's the stripped chrome. That's what he was talking about, and it's just this is stripped. The other chrome wasn't stripped. So, everything in here to make that Lincoln Futura. So, very impressed with that as well for only $10. $20 got me this snap kit, and why I got that, my dad had a truck like this before. I had it off of him for about a year, and then I sold it. So, yeah, I said it was $20 and sitting there. Why not? Great Hobbies provided me with another Chevelle. And I think, yeah, this is another guy. He had this on for $40. So, sealed in the kit. And now, I keep whacking that camera around really nicely, don't I? Whack it over and start all again. Let's go to Andre's model shop. I got 6 kits from Andre. So, I got the stock car. Everything is in there. Decals, everything. For $25 Canadian. So, right impressed with that. I'm sorry, the decals are not in this one. But everything else is in there. So, I forgot about that. That was another. So the decals down there wasn't anyway. Anyway, got this guy also. $30 for him. And we got this fella. I don't remember. It's probably the $30 I would believe as well. $30 for this display case trailer. Everything is in plastic and new in these boxes, by the way. And I got the 87 Ford Thunderbird as well. Turbo Coupe. I always loved that car. I was going to buy a V8 one at the time, and I ended up buying something else. A 4-door car for practicality. And I also got this for $30. This here comes with all the options for the Gangbusters version with it too. So, yeah. So that is all I got recently, and, you know, what I've done to this. So, this is a stock car in the 50s I'm building up, which is, you know, the kit has no options for stock cars in the 50s, so I'm, you know, putting stuff in it and whatever like this, and looking back at the pictures I see and stuff, the decals, like one number is on one side of the door and the other number is on the other, kind of thing. But on this side with the 15, that 5 is too big and it would go over to the door. It's not my first time cutting decals around doors or anything, but I don't know. I was looking for a simpler way to have a smaller number for the doors. Yeah, that didn't work out, but, you know, we'll find something. We'll make it work. We'll do something. I got to get on, yeah, it's decals and the chrome trim. Put the bumpers on, put the glass in, and slide it onto the body, and that guy would be done. I'm glad you're not a showroom type of thing. Geez, I've been wrecking you terrible. All right, I'm boring you to death. Very glad you're not dead, though, and we'll continue to kind of come back and maybe watch what I do. It's possible. Anyway, take care, and until next time, later.